My name's Claire Cairns. I'm the founder and director of Acting Out Drama School. If you're passionate about acting and you want to take steps towards your professional acting career, then our 2-year part-time professional acting course is designed just for you. At Acting Out, we offer award-winning, industry-focused training that combines practical experience with essential industry knowledge. Over 2 years, you'll train part-time with leading coaches, develop a professional showreel, and get the connections you need to break into the industry. In year 1, you'll delve quite deeply into acting, voice, movement, improvisation, characterization, and we also cover Shakespearean acting. In year 2, the shift really focuses to getting you ready for the industry. So your theatrical acting training that you had in year 1 is going to shift to screen acting, where you focus on auditions as well. You'll get your professional showreels, headshots, and you'll also get an agency invited showcase. And we use the buzz of your showreel to really create energy and to really push you towards agents. This course is great if you're already balancing or juggling between a full-time job, family commitments, or whatever your circumstances are. You can fit this course around your existing life. You'll also gain eligibility for equity and spotlight memberships, which are key to any professional actor. Our goal is to equip you with not just the skills and the acting skills, but the confidence and the connections to start your acting career. And we're committed to your success every step of the way. How do you know if this is the right course for you? Well, what I've said is going to be making you feel really excited and happy. And we have limited places because this is a face-to-face course. Join us now and turn your passion into a professional acting career. Break a leg.